What's up guys, you're watching another video. I look sweaty because it is so hot today. I don't even got a shirt on, bro. This is my first vlog with no shirt. I feel so weird. Anyways, today is the day, guys. Every single order that you guys have purchased from the website is finally going out. I am so sorry for the delay, guys. I feel super freaking bad for everyone that's been waiting for their orders. It's been more than like 2 months for some of you guys, and I'm so freaking sorry. I promise it's not my fault. I've tried everything to get these orders out faster. Who is screaming, bro? I've been just having problem after problem with the printing company. They kept promising me a date and a date and a date. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys seen that like about a few weeks ago, I shipped out about half of the orders. The reason why there's so many more that aren't shipped out yet is because when I got there to pick up the merch at the warehouse, the printing company messed up and we were missing so many hoodies, so many t-shirts that they forgot to print. So one thing after the other just kept delaying everything, bro, and delayed everybody's orders, and I feel so freaking bad. But I promise every order is gonna be out today. Well, everything's gonna be packaged today. Tomorrow morning, which is the day you guys are watching this, everything's gonna be shipped out. But I wanna show a little bit of behind the scenes. I know you guys never get to see this stuff, but I ship it all on my own, guys, all here in my garage, right next to the GTR. All the hoodies right here. We got some more hoodies, some more hoodies, some more t-shirts. These are about to get shipped right now. Here's all you guys' orders. I do everything on my own, guys. Got the stickers right here. Again, if you guys want to cop any of this stuff, I still have a few more things on the website. I think all we have is hoodies. I think we have one more medium t-shirt, and we have a shitload of stickers. So if you guys want to grab a sticker, they actually match the GTR perfectly. Look at that. It looks sick. We even have the red GTR too if you guys want to cop some of these. I have a few more of these. This is my little work table right here. David's Apex wheels and then a random box. But I'm gonna do a little time lapse so you guys can see how I do all this stuff. And by the way, look, we got the Z trunk. I bought this off the homie Fresh Kicks. If you guys have seen his channel, he has a 350Z drift car, and it's the same silver as my 350Z. And he replaced his trunk for a carbon fiber one, so I told him, let me just cop this one off of you so I don't have to replace all the holes that are in mine. And now I can just wrap this one, throw it on the car, and it should be good. We're gonna throw that down soon, and then we're gonna wrap the car next week too. I'm super excited. And don't judge me, all right? I got super skinny, bro. I have not been eating. I need to get back into the gym. If you guys remember some of the vlogs in the past, like a few months ago, I was actually going to the gym every single day with the homie David. And I was getting big, bro. I was starting to eat. I was starting to drink some protein. For those of you that do go to the gym, I know a lot of you guys do. I was taking creatine. I was drinking like whey protein, mass gainer, everything. Because for me, it's super hard to gain weight, bro. It's been like that my whole life. I cannot gain weight, bro. I eat like shit. I eat fast food and I still can't gain weight. I don't know why. So I'm super skinny. Don't mind me. You guys know what I've been going through, and I haven't been eating at all, bro. I let myself go for a little bit and I wasn't eating shit. I wasn't going to the gym, but I need to get back into it. For those of you guys wondering, I am doing a lot better. As you guys can see, I'm super happy now. Obviously, the situation still sucks, but I'm feeling a lot better. I think I had to just like let it all out and then come to my senses that I don't even want to talk about it no more, but I think I just had to let it all out for those 2 weeks, and I feel a lot better now. I just want to, now like my mind is just, I want to hustle, I want to grind. I want to get back on track because I feel like I just lost myself, bro. Like, I really did. I've been trying to make more videos for you guys. The homie Hugo's moving down next week. That's going to help a lot. It's going to be sick. I can't wait to make more videos. And also, I think when Hugo comes down, I think we're going to start live streaming every single day too, because we always play Call of Duty. So I'm gonna try to post vlogs every day. I'm gonna try to stream every day, and I'm really gonna try to hustle way more, bro. I just want to really just get back on track, get my head straight, and start grinding again, bro. Honestly, I think if any of you guys are going through the similar situation that I went through, I think my biggest advice is just let it all out, bro. Like, you gotta let it out, cry a little bit, let it all out, and then eventually you're gonna start feeling way better. Hang out with friends, get your mind off things, and then just realize your worth, bro. That's the biggest thing. So yeah, let's ship all this merch out, bro. Let's do it. And I think we are done, bro. Oh my god, I felt like those orders were never gonna end. Super thankful though. It doesn't bother me at all. The only thing that bothers me is that it took so long and I feel super freaking bad, but all the orders are ready to go, guys. Tomorrow morning I'm gonna take these to the post office. Every single order should be out now, so you guys can go check your emails right now, check the tracking numbers, and you guys should see where your guys' orders are. You should all be getting your orders within 2 or 3 days from this video, so I'm super excited. Like always, I can't wait to see you guys rocking the merch in person. It's so freaking sick to see you guys at car meets and car events with the merch on. Insane to me because it comes from my garage to your guys' house, and now I run into you guys at car meets. Like, it's really crazy, bro, but I'm super appreciative. Thank you so much for everyone who did cop the merch. But yeah, if you guys want to cop the merch, there's a link down below, shop.findingnick.com. I don't know what else is going into this vlog after this, but whatever we do, it should be lit. So subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and let's get into the rest of the video. We made it. We're back at this parking structure, guys, from like literally the last video. What is this? We're about the GTR though. I think oh my god. I think the homie Kevin's here somewhere. Where's he at? We made it though, look, all the BMWs are here. We got a M4, M3, I'm not sure. M4, Kevin's M4, the homie Enrique's G80, another M4, and then this is the new 2 Series, I think, right? Or 1 Series, I don't know. M240, sick. All the BMW homies are here. What's up, guys? Thank you for watching another video. I think this is like continuing from the last part where we shipped the merch. We're here at this car meet down in LA. The homie Kevin hit me up last minute. He was like, you wanna come? And I was like, I'm down. I'm in the area. Why not? Everyone's up. Sounds pretty good, bro. Jaguar, right? Oh shit, guys, look what it is. E36 M3, I believe, too. Oh, and it's red, bro. On BBS's. Wow, shit's clean. Wow. Errors. You guys all know errors, bro. Oh my god. Why does the burble sound so weird? Anyways, we made it. It's a cool little meet. Not that big, but some pretty decent cars. Bro, there's hella BMWs here. Look at this. M2, E92, E46. What's up, bro? Are these yours?
All of them. Literally. Bro, fuck no. But I do watch all your vlogs, though.
Really? Thank you, bro. I appreciate that.
Hey, nice to meet you, actually.
Nice to meet you too, bro. Nice to meet you. These colors are sick. There's like a signal green, I think. Super sick color. I'm not a big fan of green, but it's a pretty cool color. These things are clean, guys. I've been liking M2s lately. I don't know why. They're really, really sick. Are they expensive though? I don't know. But they look sick. A nice Huracan. Someone brought a Lambo out. Must be nice, huh? Goals. There's an R8. A red R8. Well, actually, it's half red, half black. It's pretty crazy. It's like a fade wrap. That's crazy. That would be me, guys. I wouldn't know what to pick. A red R8 or a black R8. So I might not do both. Looks so sick with the center exhaust. That's the exhaust I want to do when I get one, guys. I'm gonna get an R8 soon. Some sick cars up here. G80. You guys know I've been liking these G80s lately. They look really good. Oh my god, what the heck was that? This might be the one that I saw in the last vlog. Because it has the same taillights, I think. What the heck is that, bro? I think it's a BMW. Look, another GTR. Sick. I love how GTRs sound. Anyways, that's the car meet. Not that many cars, but at least the homies are here. Maybe we'll go kick it with Kevin after and all the other BMW homies. I've been hanging out with all the BMW guys more, just so you guys can have BMWs in the vlogs. E30. Clean. Got a bunch of FRSs. The pink one. You guys probably follow her on Instagram. Sick. I wanted to wrap my car that color at one point. Hugo too. I think that's the color Hugo wants to do. I don't know if you still want to do it or not, but M2. Why are there so many BMWs, bro? I just realized that. A lot of BMWs. Look at this. E93 convertible. F80 with red interior. I see it. Super sick. I need to find one with red interior, bro. The homie Ares, the guy that revs it like crazy. We'll probably see his car right now driving. Daniel actually got a new G80. If you guys watched my last vlog, I want to go see it. Look at the underglow. What do you guys think about the underglow? Yes or no? Comment down below. I actually thought about doing it on like one of my cars just for fun. It used to be like riced out, but I feel like underglow's coming back, bro. Look at it. Depending on how you do it, huh? Oh my god, look at these taillights. Very girly, bro. I guess this Mustang shoots crazy flames. Oh my god, I can't. You can literally feel the heat. That is crazy. Bro, how is this car not blown up yet? Bro, that was insane, bro. There's no way. Poor engine. Imagine. Never abused? I don't even know how that's even possible, bro. All these Mustangs have been doing like crazy flame tunes recently, and it's crazy. Guys, he said he could change the color of the flames. We'll see. I don't know how. I don't know what this is, but it's supposed to make the flames green, guys.
What are you doing right now?
There's no way.
Changing the color of the flames.
How does that even work?
Y'all ready for some green flames, bro?
Bro, the flames, they're legit green, bro. Oh my god, it's so hot. Insane. I can't be in the back, guys. It's way too hot. Guys, how is the car not blown up yet, bro? Oh my god. Oh shit. That's crazy.
I don't know, but it's his fault.
Still going, bro. Blown up yet, bro. What is going on, bro? Bro, I don't know how that Mustang hasn't blown up. He's been doing that for like the past, I don't know, 40 minutes, bro, literally. Everybody's revving it, bro. This Mustang is still going. This exhaust, bro, it's literally red. This fool needs an oil change as soon as he leaves his meet. Alright guys, we out. We're about to go grab some food, but we're just with the homie Daniel. Shit looks sick, bro. The undergun looks crazy. This car actually sounds really good. Bro, most of like the F80s, they sound way too raspy, but this sounds sick. Alright, we just got to the restaurant, but look, there's literally all BMWs again, bro. M4, M4, E92 M3. I don't know what this is. The 5 Series? M5, I think? M5 Comp.
Yeah, bro. Stealing our
Oh my god. What is this, bro? This is G80? Damn, that shit is beautiful, bro. Look at this one. This is a very sick color. 1,000 miles?
1,000 miles on it. Laser lights.
Yeah, those lights look sick. F80, Kevin's M4, Aries' M4. Another M4. All the BMW guys are out here. This is sick though. This thing's sick too. M5 Comp. These are super expensive too. I think these are over 100K. Big ballers. Huh? What was that, Kevin? Why does everyone have BMWs but me?
Messed up, bro.
That's fucked up.
Nick needs to get back. Who?
Damn, Kevin.
Yeah, I told him Adam. Adam said chat. Bro,
you almost did it, bro.
Y'all was looking serious, bro.
On the way home, and look who I run into. One of the homies in the porch. Oh, it's so sick. There's BBS wheels on it. Oh, it's just down sick. Bro, that shit is so loud. Sounds sick. And it looks crazy. I just found some random people racing, guys. I'm just driving home and I see all these cars racing. I'm about to get gapped for all these Mustangs. fast, not gonna lie. I think I'll gap them. Oh, they're getting off. I wanted to try to race them, bro. That sucks.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26.